Have you ever wondered how semen tastes? A query that might raise an eyebrow or two, but it's a question that has intrigued humans for generations. This topic might be a little off the beaten path, but it's one that's rich in scientific intrigue. What does science have to say about this? Is there a definitive answer, or does the taste vary? Well, today we're going to explore that very question, and trust me, it's more fascinating than you might think. To understand the taste of semen, first, we need to understand what it's made of. Semen is a complex biological substance, composed of various elements that each play a unique role in its overall composition. Let's begin with the most well-known component, sperm. Sperm is produced in the testicles and makes up only about 1 to 5% of semen volume. The primary role of sperm, of course, is to fertilize an egg in the process of reproduction. On the other hand, the majority of semen is actually seminal fluid. This fluid is a cocktail of different substances produced by various glands in the male reproductive system. These substances serve multiple functions, from nourishing and protecting the sperm to facilitating their journey towards an egg. Fructose is one of these substances. Produced by the seminal vesicles, fructose is a type of sugar that provides energy for the sperm. If you've ever wondered why semen can sometimes taste slightly sweet, fructose is likely the reason. Enzymes are another crucial part of the mix. They help liquefy the semen after ejaculation, allowing the sperm to move more freely. This group includes enzymes like protease, which breaks down proteins, and hyaluronidase, which helps sperm penetrate the egg. Then there are various other compounds, such as ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, which protects the sperm's DNA from damage. There's also zinc, which contributes to sperm health, and prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that help trigger contractions in the female reproductive system to aid the sperm's journey. Lastly, we have a host of different salts and other elements that help to maintain the right pH balance and provide the right environment for sperm to survive and function. So, as you see, semen is a complex mix of various components, each contributing to its unique properties. But how do these components influence the taste of semen? Well, that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. Now, you might be wondering, do factors like diet and lifestyle affect the taste of semen? Let's delve into that. Picture this. You've just finished a meal filled with spicy, aromatic curry. The spices linger on your tongue, a reminder of the flavors you've just experienced. Now imagine if those spices could somehow influence the taste of your semen. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. In fact, diet plays a significant role in determining the taste of semen. Foods rich in sugars, like fruits, might make semen taste sweeter. Pineapple, mango and watermelon, for instance, are often cited as foods that can improve the taste. On the flip side, some foods might make semen taste less than pleasant. We're looking at you, asparagus and garlic. Beyond food, other lifestyle choices can impact semen taste. Take smoking, for example. It's no secret that smoking has a slew of negative health effects. But did you know it could also make semen taste bitter? Yes, you heard that right. The chemicals in cigarettes can seep into your system, affecting not just your lungs but your semen as well. Alcohol consumption is another factor to consider. A glass of wine or a pint of beer might be a pleasant way to unwind, but these beverages can also affect semen taste. Similar to spicy foods, alcohol can make semen taste bitter, so it might be worth considering how your Friday night drinks could influence more than just your Saturday morning hangover. That's not to say you should immediately overhaul your diet or lifestyle. Everyone's body is different, and what affects one person might not necessarily have the same effect on another. But it's worth keeping in mind that what goes into your body can come out in unexpected ways. Therefore, what you consume doesn't only affect your health, but also the taste of your semen. But here's the thing, taste is subjective. It's a fact that's as true for gourmet cheese as it is for semen. Not everyone experiences taste in the same way. We each have a unique blend of taste buds, all with different sensitivities to sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami flavors. This means that what tastes delightful to one person might be downright distasteful to another. The taste of semen is no exception to this rule. It's a complex concoction of sugars, proteins, and minerals, each with their own flavor profile. This means that the taste can vary significantly from person to person. Some might describe it as slightly sweet due to the presence of fructose, while others might find it more bitter or salty. But it's not just about the individual's taste buds. The taste of semen can also differ for the same person at different times. Factors such as diet, hydration, and overall health can all influence the flavor. For example, consuming certain foods or beverages, like asparagus or coffee, can result in a more bitter taste. On the other hand, fruits like pineapples and apples can make it taste sweeter. Similarly, being dehydrated can concentrate the substances in semen, potentially leading to a stronger, more pronounced taste. And if a person is unwell, it could subtly alter the taste as well. Yet, despite all these variables, it's important to remember that there's no right or wrong taste. Just as with all aspects of human sexuality, there's a broad spectrum of normal. And as long as there are no sudden, dramatic changes in taste or other symptoms, there's usually no cause for concern. So the next time you find yourself wondering, how does semen taste? Remember that it's a question with as many answers as there are people. Because just like our personalities, our tastes are unique and ever-changing. So there's no definitive answer to how does semen taste, as it can vary greatly. So, what's the big picture here? Well, we've journeyed through a fascinating exploration of a question that may be a little taboo, but is rooted in human curiosity. We've delved into the science of semen, understanding its components and the roles they play. It's a complex mixture of spermatozoa, enzymes, fructose, ascorbic acid, and other substances, each contributing to its overall composition. We then moved on to discuss the influence of diet and lifestyle on the taste of semen. As we've seen, what one consumes can have a significant effect. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables, particularly those high in natural sugars, can potentially lead to a sweeter taste. On the other hand, things like caffeine, alcohol, and smoking are known to give it a more bitter undertone. But remember, everyone's body is different, and these influences may vary from person to person. Our journey also took us through the subjectivity of taste. This is important to remember because what one person finds pleasant or unpleasant can differ significantly from someone else's perception. Factors such as personal preference, genetic makeup, and even cultural influences can play a role in how taste is perceived. Let's not forget that taste is just one aspect of this equation. The context, emotional connection, and individual comfort levels also play significant roles in how this experience is perceived. It's a holistic experience, not merely a question of taste. So, the big picture? The taste of semen is a complex interplay of biological components, influenced by diet and lifestyle, and interpreted through the lens of individual taste perception. It's a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of our bodies and our experiences. So next time you come across the question, how does semen taste? You'll know there's a lot more to it than meets the eye, or should we say, the tongue. And that's a wrap on today's intriguing exploration of the taste of semen. Our journey has taken us through the science of semen, the impact of diet and lifestyle, and the fascinating subjectivity of taste. It's always a pleasure to delve into topics that may raise a few eyebrows, but ultimately satisfy our collective curiosity. This is what we do here. We ask the questions no one else will, and seek out the answers with an open mind and a sense of humour. We hope this video quenched your thirst for knowledge. Your thoughts, insights, and even further questions are always welcome. Don't hesitate to join the conversation in the comments section below. We're all here to learn from each other after all. If you found this video informative and, dare we say it, a little entertaining, do us a solid and hit that like button. Better yet, share this video with your friends and spread the knowledge. Who knows, you might just spark an intriguing conversation at your next dinner party. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We've got a lot more interesting topics lined up for you, and trust us, you don't want to miss out. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question, only the opportunity to learn something new. Until next time, stay curious.